Xin chào bạn đã quay trở lại. Hôm nay chúng ta biết sẽ đi vào hợp đồng lịch sử nhất lịch sử thương hiệu mang biểu tượng sẽ như thế nào bởi điều này bạn có thể nhớ
Showcasing the possibilities of the e-Golf powertrain to motivate classic VW models, Volkswagen of America commissioned West Coast electric vehicle conversion specialist EV West to construct an electrified 1972 Volkswagen Type 2 bus. Their passion for classic car culture and commitment to renewable energy made EV West the ideal choice for this project, said Matthew Renna, VPG4, Volkswagen North American region. We thought who better to see if the e-Golf powertrain would be the perfect fit for our older vehicles. It's great to see that the spirit of hot rodding is going to live on into the electric age. The professionally harvested stock powertrain and 35.8 kWh battery system from the donor 2017 e-Golf gives the e-bus an approximate range of 125 miles. The powertrain will reside in the rear compartment of the e-bus, which was previously occupied by the stock air-cooled 60 horsepower 4-cylinder engine. The independent rear suspension of the Type 2 bay window makes a perfect mate to the transverse driveline, which is contained in a single unit that houses the 100 kW synchronous AC permanent magnet electric motor, 1-speed transmission and charging system. Most of the other exterior and interior features of the e-bus will remain, mostly unchanged. The battery units are contained inside custom-engineered, reinforced and fireproof enclosures located under the front seats and in the former location of the fuel tank. The stock long throw shifter remains but now actuates park, reverse, neutral, drive, and the regenerative braking modes (PRNDB) that are all familiar aspects of the e-Golf. To further maintain its authentic feel, the e-bus will be fitted with a classically styled multi-function digital EV gauge in the dashboard. This gauge allows the operator to cycle through multiple views and monitor vehicle outputs. We are very excited to be a part of this project, said Michael Breen, founder and CEO of EV West. Merging a historic model from an iconic brand with the technology of today is just one of many ways that we can step closer to a more sustainable future while continuing to enjoy our rich automotive heritage.